In this video, I'll talk about our search for an apartment and actually finding our apartment. Finding an apartment was a bit difficult because we didn't know the market, of course. We have never been here ourselves, so it's always difficult to find something. There's lots of websites here in Dubai, for example, Dubizzle or Beirut, where you can search for apartments online. And it's great, those websites, because you can see a lot of offers and you can click on filters to see what you like. There's so many different options. You can choose between furnished or unfurnished. We chose furnished. And why did we choose for furnished is because furnishing an apartment yourself is a lot of hassle. You gotta spend a lot of time. It is also expensive. I mean, if you think about it, if you really have a full empty apartment and you need a bed, you need a diner table, you want chairs, you want a TV, and especially if you're new to Dubai, like us, and you're not sure how long you're going to stay, then especially at the beginning it's amazing to get a furnished apartment. And there's even another option that's even like a better option for really new people like us, and that's a serviced apartment. So what a serviced apartment is, basically you live in a hotel, but then it's not a room, but it's an apartment, and you rent it for a longer period. Services is literally, you get a cleaning lady once a week. You could order room service up in your room, which is amazing. We're definitely gonna do that. Everything is included, which is I think the best thing, because it is such a hassle to find a provider for your internet, for your TV, for your electricity, for your water. And as you're immigrating and moving to another country, there's so much things you gotta think about, and so much little things also back home. Why 3 months? Well, we could have rented it also immediately for a year, but I don't know how you will like it. How you've been here only for 2 weeks now, and it's not enough time to know where you want to stay for like a longer time. So we said let's just do 3 months, and then we can always see if you want to move it around. That's the plan now. So I'll show you our apartment. I'll give you a little room tour so you can see how it is to live in a serviced apartment in Dubai.
Welcome to La Casa del Lulu and Deno.
Yeah, okay. So this is the first toilet. With a table and a toilet, butt spray, a trash bin. Then here you got a storage, which is super chill, it's really big, it's 2 doors. These chairs though. Then here you have the couch. This is also a sleeping couch, so you can extend it, and then literally like 3 people can sleep here. And a huge TV and a really nice lamp. That table is like really random. Maybe we should put that in the bathroom or something. We'll see. And the kitchen, which I love, like the gold. It makes it so spacious because you can look,
it's like a mirror
everywhere. And it's kind of, yeah, you have some mugs and glasses, and there's pans and a coffee machine, toaster, gas, which is super nice, a microwave and an oven and a fridge. Do we have a freezer?
I think.
Oh, yeah, well,
we only have one freezer.
yeah, but it's alright. I mean, freezers.
This is a big freezer.
Okay, continue to the balcony, which is also pretty big. Woo! Wait. Yeah, it is really big. Yeah, it is pretty big. Then we got our view. This is the 23rd floor. So here is a construction, which is a bit shit. The good thing is we can look really far, because we're not gonna build. It's not gonna be ready like this year. And whole Dubai, as you can see, like literally everywhere are building things, so yeah. And then this is actually really nice because you can look super far, and it is pretty rare in Dubai to find a place where you can look and not have like the next building literally in front of you. Here is actually the horse stable of the Sheikh from Dubai, so they're definitely not gonna build there as well, so that's pretty cool. And in the night, the sun is actually setting now, but in the night you can see all the lights from the highway, and that's really cute. And then the best part of everything. This is a huge bed. 2 meters. Yeah, I think it is. With also like awesome view. I love it that it's like windows to the bottom. A big TV. Danny's just following me, but okay. And this is a actual story. It's actually a book. So if I'm bored, I could like read. This is definitely going to be my makeup table.
This is gonna be my makeup table. You're just constantly looking at yourself. You know?
Here, you walk into the bathroom with closets. So you have little cupboards. You have a touchscreen air conditioning thing, which Danny finds like
Oh, turn it off.
awesome. We can read the Quran if we wanna do that. That's definitely for Danny because I couldn't even reach that. This is definitely mine. Hanging and more hanging and more hanging and more hanging and oh, this is so awesome. And a mirror. This is just awesome, awesome. And there is the bathtub and a huge mirror. You can see my whole everything. It's great.
Look, they even got Shrek's toothbrush, original, from Shrek the movie.
And there's a phone in your bathtub.
Excuse me, I blew up the toilet.
So there's so many mirrors.
But it's nice. Everything's kind of reflecting. That makes it seem so cute.
Yeah, but it's actually huge. Okay, toilet. With a very crooked thingy. Okay. Butt spray and a bidet. A huge shower. It's a rain shower. So this is the room tour. Or apartment tour actually. And yeah, can't wait to live here.